Hey there, I'm going to show you how to make a super simple, very effective, safe, non-toxic fruit fly trap for your kitchen. So all you need is a glass jar, some kind of paper that you're going to use to make the top, a toothpick or maybe a pen to poke holes, rubber band, a little bit of dish soap, and apple cider vinegar. The apple cider vinegar is what attracts them, and so really you could use whatever on your kitchen counter is starting to rot that's attracting them. Like if you've got fruit flies because you have some ripe bananas or old strawberries or whatever, you could just put some water in and then a little bit of that fruit or kombucha or whatever it is that's attracting them. And then you do a little bit of soap, and that soap is what's going to change the surface tension of the liquid so that they can't land nice and easy in it the way that they're used to. Gently stir it up so you don't make bubbles with that soap. Then you take your piece of paper, cover it up, grab a rubber band to make it a tight seal. So you're trying to trap the fruit flies in the middle so that they drown in that liquid. And then take your toothpick or pen or whatever it is. You just want to make sure it's a pretty small hole. Poke some holes in the middle. And there you go. DIY fruit fly trap. Okay, it's 2 days later, and it looks like I've got 9 or 10 on the bottom here. Yeah, that works pretty well. Swirl them around a little. So there you have it. If you've got pets or kids and you're concerned about toxic products sitting on your counter, that's a very easy do-it-yourself fruit fly trap with using stuff you've already got in the house without chemicals. Thanks for watching.